What does Made in America really mean? At Hellwig Products, it means a company family-owned and operated for 4 generations. Rudy Hellwig patented his helper springs in 1941 and Hellwig Products in 1946. He made springs by hand in a blacksmith shop. On weekends, Rudy sold springs door to door, and his son Don helped install them. Helper springs increase the level load rating of vehicles for better control and stability. And sway bars improve safety by reducing vehicle body roll. Hellwig's philosophy has always been to take care of the customer, to build a quality product, and to adapt to the market and innovate. For 4 generations, Hellwig has carried on a family tradition. Work hard. Take pride in our work. Take care of our employees. Hellwig Products uses American steel, manufactures its products in America, provides jobs for American workers. Made in America is more than a slogan. It's a philosophy, a way of doing business, a work ethic, a family tradition of innovation. Proudly made in America since 1946.